What's going on, guys? My name is Charlie and welcome yet to another video. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to make cool flare effect like this one with using only your camera, a glass of water and a flashlight. So that's all we need. Let's go. For this video we need darkness, but just not yet, just hold on and I will tell you when. First things first, we are going to need a camera lens, the lower f-stop the better, a glass of water and a flashlight, for instance from your phone. Alright, we are going to set up our camera on a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, don't worry, do not close this video, do not pause it, do not close it. You don't need a tripod, it's better, but if you don't have it, it doesn't matter. You can just let your camera sit on a chair, it really doesn't matter. We're gonna set our camera in video mode if there's any. If you do not have video mode, it's not such a big deal. Just do not look straight into the viewfinder, because if you are flashing the lens, it's going through the viewfinder into your eye and it's gonna hurt your eyes and yeah, just okay. Now, since we are in video mode, we can actually see what is happening in real time. So we are going to set up our shutter speed to 30, because 30 on my camera, 30 is the minimum. Once we've got the shutter speed set up, we are going to change the f-stop to the lowest possible. The lower number we use, the more shallow of the field we are going to get. It's that nice blurry background when you are shooting, for instance, portraits. Now it depends what lens are you using. For instance, for this video I'm using 24mm f2.8, and that is going to be less blurry than this 50mm f1.8. And that's also the reason why I'm going to use the 50mm one, because it's going to give me more blurriness of the light. And honestly, this lens is like $150, really cheap, affordable, just great. So with that being said, we are going to set it up to 1.8 and let's keep the ISO at 100, because we don't need any additional boost for the light. And the last thing you want to do is defocus the lens. And the last thing we are going to need is the darkness. Perfect! Now take the glass with water, your flashlight, and tweak around with it until you get that perfect flare. Set your camera timer to 2 seconds or more, so you get more time to prepare, and shoot! You can use different glasses, different flashlights, different lenses, as long as the lens is low f-stop. You can even tweak around and go lower with the shutter speed. Just tweak around with it, it's really not that hard. Alright you guys, that's all I wanted to talk about. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment below. You can also subscribe, I mean it's for free, they are saying it's for free, so just try to hit it. See whatever is going to happen, and I'll see you at another video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.